Uh-oh.
The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Center County in central Pennsylvania, Huntington County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:32 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Lamar to Storm Mountain, Delfino, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusts winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Source, this includes the following interstate impact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following interstate. The Pennsylvania turnpike between mile markers 137 and 130 between mile marker 0 and 59 and mile markers 70 to 78. Interstate 99 between mile marker 0 and 59 State College, 70 to 78. Lewistown, Huntington, Hollidaysburg, Westmont, Windburg, Edinburgh, Hollidaysburg, Tyrone, Westmont. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. Allow extra time. If you must travel, use extra invisibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Invisibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service counties in West Virginia, Western Grant,
First Lord of 2026. See what else happens.
The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 3 a.m. At 1:51 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Castlebrook to Allenwood to Spring Mills, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Lewisburg, Williamsport, and Muskoka exits, specifically for mile markers 210 to 247. This includes Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 2. This snow squall will be near Milton, Mifflinburg, and Fairmount Springs around 2 a.m. Lewisburg, Roarsburg, and McClure around 2:10 a.m. Northumberland, Danville, and Mooresburg around 2:20 a.m. Berwick, Sunbury, and Bloomsburg around 2:30 a.m. Fort Trevorton, Stonington, and Ellisburg around 2:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by the snow squall include Lime Ridge, West Milton, Marion Heights, Seven Points, and Hartleton. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania.
Alright, nice. We'll see what else happens. Oh boy. Oh.
Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania.
I knew you'd go off.
County in south central Pennsylvania.
Oh boy.
South central Pennsylvania.
Well, hold up. I wonder if more Casey's will be. Ah.
near-zero visibility associated with radar and webcams. Impact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 74 Interstate 47 to dangerous within minutes. The Pennsylvania Interstate 4 Interstate 81 for mile markers 90 to 65. Interstate 83 for mile markers 41 to 42. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 4 to 65. This snow squall will be near Blackwell, McAllister Way, and Dudley around 2:20 a.m. Interstate 99 for Rock Hill 0 to 4.
This is going to hit the 2-minute limit.
Will be near Freeport, Newport, and Waterfall around 2:40 a.m. Crystal Springs, Saluvio, and Shermansville around 2:50 a.m. And Petersburg to Plainfield, and Marysville around 3 a.m. Other locations affected by the snow squall include Boys Town, Sangerville, Blaine, Crystal Springs, and Midlandtown. If traveling around the way, find the nearest example rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls from Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the...
Nice. Overnight snow squalls, I will take it. I don't care. Wait a minute. Oh, that's bordering my county too. I'm about to go blast the snow here. That's not gonna be until later. But we'll see what else happens.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Washington County, north central Maryland, Allegheny County in western Maryland, northwestern Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia, north central Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:27 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Spruce Hill to near Cessna to near Grenville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 31 and 80. Interstate 70 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 4. Locations impacted include Frostburg, Maryland, Cumberland, Maryland, Flintstone, Maryland, Kaiser, West Virginia. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Alright, so what else happens? Not a bad snow squall night, but still, we're getting a lot of them.
Penn State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 4 a.m. At 2:34 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Huntington Mills to Stonington to McAllisterville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 246 to 266. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile marker 66 to 139. Interstate 83 from mile markers 43 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. This snow squall will be near Nuremberg, Millersburg, and Klingerstown around 2:50 a.m. Frankville, Shenandoah, and Ashland around 3 a.m. St. Clair, Mahanoy City, and Minersville around 3:10 a.m. Pottsville, Harrisburg, and Progress around 3:20 a.m. Hummelstown, Hershey, and Orwigsburg around 3:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by the snow squall include Ravine, Mary D., Cambola, Jonestown, and Avon Heights. If traveling on the highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or stop. If you have been involved in an accident or pulled to the A favorable environment for snow squalls will be in place tonight. A strong cold front moving in will...
Alrighty. We'll see what else happens. Sanjian jump scare, by the way.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4
Oh, hell yeah.
Extending from Tower City to Pennsylvania,
Not being allowed.
35 miles per hour. Intense bursts of heavy snow was located along the way. Blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1 Grove, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and web mile markers 200 intact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous.
Here's the same old, same old.
This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 239 to 245, and mile markers 268 to 295. Interstate 81 from mile markers 1 to 11. Interstate 83 from mile markers 1 to 40. This snow squall will be near Lower Allen around 3:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. New Cumberland, Green Castle, and Galesburg around 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And rifles. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. Gettysburg, and Limestown around 3:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or stop. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. The National Weather
Alright, nice. See what else happens.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for Washington County in north central Maryland, northwestern Carroll County in north central Maryland, Frederick County in north central Maryland, northern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia, Mineral County in eastern West Virginia, Hardy County in eastern West Virginia, Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:29 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Mount Holly Springs to near Berkeley Springs to Kaiser, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 72 and 80. Interstate 70 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 58. Interstate 81 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 270 in Maryland near mile marker 32. Locations impacted include Frederick, Hagerstown, Winchester, Westminster, Martinsburg, Thurmont, Kaiser, Charlestown, Emmitsburg, Moorfield, Romney, Shepherdstown, Hancock, Paw Paw, Municipal Stadium, Harry Grove Stadium, Greenwood, Ballinger Creek, Robin.
2-minute limit. I don't like it.
Now for the official.
Alright, we'll see what else happens. Okay, I couldn't pass up to record this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. This is cool, dude. Yes, this is the snow squall that's coming through. Holy shit! This is cool. Whoa. This is cool. My dad's gonna wake up to this on his car. He's like, what the fuck happened here? Having fun, citizen? This is fucking cool though, bro. Like, I ain't never been in a snow squall before. This is the first time. I like it. I've been playing tons of snow squalls up close here and they never gotten warned on. Like they were too weak to be warned on. But this one that we're in right now has been going on for like several hours. No? Saw that person's light flicker there for a second. Don't know if I caught that, but Poor South PAWX. I hope he's not get hammered too hard. This is awesome. Whoa. Look at that. Oh. His power flickered again. It's currently what, 4 in the morning? Almost. It's 3:58. Just not leaving it. I'm getting ready to. Wow. That was fun. Alright. Alright, we'll see. I guess we'll see what else happens then.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, east-central Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:17 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Gap to Stewartstown to near Discovery Spring Garden, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Route 1 in Maryland between mile markers 8 and 4. Interstate 70 in Maryland between mile markers 67 and 68. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 72 and 99. Locations impacted include Pikesville, Cockeysville, Westminster, Aberdeen, Havre de Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Towson, Bel Air South, Reynoldstown, Owings Mills, Bel Air North, Eldersburg, Kearney, Perry Hall, Reisterstown, Mays Chapel, Timonium, Mount Airy, and Falston. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes. The National Weather Service.
Alright, nice. So what else happens? I gotta stay outside for this SMW. Alright, nice. Ooh, running in here. That's fucking cold. But, yep. We will see what else happens then. That the night of the snow squall goes on.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Washington County in north central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, Montgomery County in central Maryland, southern Frederick County in north central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, south central Carroll County in north central Maryland, Loudoun County in northern Virginia, Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, Warren County
I keep forgetting
in
I can get
northwestern
KC-83s
Virginia,
on.
Clark County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia. Pennsylvania until 4:40.
Yeah.
Leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, 39.
See what's drowning. See what's drowning. I see what's drowning.
Rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways. Interstate 70 in Maryland between mile markers 49 and 88. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 35 and 45. Interstate 270 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 32. Locations impacted include Columbia, Germantown, Frederick, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Leesburg, Woolmead.
Oh, the fucking 2-minute limit.
This is a statement from the National Weather.
Alright, we'll see what else happens.